Good morning, YouTubers. Hey, this is Mr. Lawrence, LAF space Film Fest. If you want to go to my channel, I guess you have found my channel. You're watching it right now. I appreciate it. Hey, this is Mr. Lawrence, but I'm also known as Pap to my grandkids. So that was my granddad's name, grandfather's name. His name was Pap. So anyways, I'm glad to carry on the tradition with him. But it is a beautiful July morning in southern Indiana. And what I'm going to do today is, I don't often work on automotive. That's definitely a weak link of mine. But having said that, YouTube makes it so easy. If there's anything that you need to work on, and it involves your automobile, just go there, search it. I guarantee there's a video. I've fixed so many things just because, you know, I can go there and there it is, and I just watch it. Sometimes I gotta watch it 3 or 4 times, but hey, eventually I get it. If I don't, to the old mechanic it goes. So anyways, I got a 2005 Jeep Liberty here that I love, and kind of been fixing it all up, and got some problems with the back hatch. Will not stay up, the glass, and also the hood. For years and years I've got a stick that I put there to hold the hood up. So finally I got my stuff together, and I ordered me some of these max-pow, and these are the shock absorbers that are going to hold the glass up in the back, hold my hood up, and I don't have to deal with that anymore. It's crazy. These things were only like, for a set of them, they're like 15 bucks. Now, I've been dealing with it for, geez, years and years. Hey, how are you? Anyway, that's my friendly birds. They always come around. They always want to be in the video. So one of these days, I guess I'm going to have to let them. So, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the problem I'm having, and of course I've got to wash the vehicle first, and then we're going to put these together. Hopefully it goes well. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I hear you over there. Oh, hey, I do want to give a big shout out to my daughter in Michigan, in Linden, Michigan. She, number one, she's the one that got me that coffee mug that says Pap on it. And she also got one for Mrs. Melissa, and it's got her name on it too. So we love them. We use them every day. Okay. Also, oops, Bob Seger. Andrea took me to Bob Seger for Father's Day, and it was his Roll Me Away tour. I'll tell you what, you saw it outside of Detroit, and oh my God, that dude is a rocker. I mean, from start to finish, the crowd was into it, and I tell you what, I'm gonna post a little video of it. It was a great time. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you, Shay. It was like crazy fun. So anyways, okay, back to the project. You'll notice I'll wander from time to time. Back to the project. Okay, this is my 2005 Jeep Liberty. Okay, and I'll show you a couple of problems I have with it. What's kind of funny is the problem with the hood. Yeah, I got to put this stick up, but actually I always carry this stick next to my front seat, and this is actually a hood holding up stick, and it's actually one of my self-defense weapons I'm trained in. So it's called a scriba stick. So one of these days I'm going to do a video on the proper use of a scriba stick. So anyways, so it works as dual purpose. So I lift my hood. Yeah, this is a heavy hood too. You'll see these here, right here, right there. Now if I just let go, see, they're shot. They just come down there and just, there's nothing holding them. So I've always put my stick here, and that way I could change oil or whatever I need to do. But come on, that's a hassle. In fact, I had my windshield replaced the other day by Safelite. And I walked out there and the guy was finishing, and I walked out there to see if everything was going okay. And he was actually holding the hood up with his head. I guess he didn't see the scriba stick in there. And putting these moldings back on. I was like, dude, I got a stick in there. So anyways, that's going to be solved hopefully today. Okay. Let me go around back and show you what I've got there. Okay, around the back here, open it up, and here's my glass, okay? And you can see they kind of work, but you know what? When it gets cold, like if it gets below 32, forget about it. They won't stand up or anything. So, once again, you know, I've learned to compromise. I've learned to compromise for so long, and so I got this stick and I put it in there and it holds it up. But come on, $15. $15 is what it's going to take to fix it, and some manual labor, right? So put that back there. So anyways, I am going to repair that, so that will work. And I say we get the project rolling. I was going to wash the Jeep first, but I think I'll just go ahead and try to take care of this project. It's nice and cool out here right now. It's going to get warm, probably up in the around 90 degrees today. So yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and just take care of this right now. I always like to put a few stickers on my vehicle. Got a Moham. Picture rocks. I love it here, Silverton, Colorado. Of course, my favorite, Upper Peninsula, Michigan. Great Lakes. The UP, the falls. And of course my Shotokan Fighting Tiger. Can't forget my backcountry.com. And I think one of my favorites I just put on, Bigfoot. Peace out, brother. Okay, first thing we have here is we have a little clip, little steel clip. And so I'm just going to take a little screwdriver, put it in there. Make that clip come out of there, so, and voila! Okay, there we go. There's the support ball right there, and that little clip come out of there. So at this point, it's going to be, I'm just going to repeat that process each time. Okay, so got this off here. Get some screwdriver in there. Get that clip out. There we go. Come right off there. So now the new ones, I'm pretty sure the new ones are going to just put them on there and they'll just pop on and the clip will hold it. And they'll be good to go. So let's see if that's the way it's going to work out. There's another shot of what these are. Having a little trouble focusing there. There we go. Okay. Alright, so what I'm thinking here is this one's going to go on. Clip on like that. And this guy, oh boy. Okay, so we're gonna have to drop my stick over there. These obviously are supposed to go a little bit. Whoa, look out, Junior. These are supposed to go a little bit higher. There we go. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna have more headroom now. Jeez, I forgot that. That's pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna replace the other side. So I know mechanics are probably out there going, come on, son, you can do better than that. Well, like I said, I'm not really an automotive guy, but I try. So I guess the mechanic wants to take me on in a painting project. You can see how that evens things out, right? Or maybe even trails, backpacking, canoe, and kayaking, so on and so forth. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna see if I can't get this one done, and that'll make the back pretty sweet. All right, it comes out. Ah, there we go. There's one, and come on, Junior. There you go. Ah, okay. Well, I don't feel that weak, but I guess it takes a lot of pressure. Okay, so this guy here goes on, slips on, locks into place, and this guy, open my door up a little bit more, boom. All right. Now, the moment of truth. Let's see if they work. All right, let's try this. Let's try this new window support bar system. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, a lot more tension. A lot more tension. So far so good. Now before I'd have to open it and it would stop here and I'd lift it up, and then start to get in there and it'd fall down, crack me right across the head. Ugh. Especially in the wintertime, the worst. So now, let's see what happens. So I just hit my handle. Ooh, dog. That is sweet. I can't believe it took that long for me to fix these. One more time. Woo! Damn, that's like a Cadillac there. Sweet. Okay. Okay, here's all the tools needed to complete that project. Well, that'd take me probably 15 minutes. Oh, didn't use the echo here, the leaf blower. No, not necessary. But anyways, those are the tools that I used. All right. Dang, nice project. You know, here's a little tip for the Jeep owners, the Jeep Liberty. Because it's got a spare tire, what you have to do is you have to put this extension on here. This right here, this extension bar, if you're going to haul any kind of a trailer. And I've got me a little pop-up that I'll take up to Lake Superior and camp. So anyways, what I did was I kind of customized these straps right here. And, you know, I kind of look at these as sway straps. And it made a big difference. You know, you wouldn't want to do it on a big camper, something heavy, but you know, something little like this little pop-up I have works pretty good. Keeps that bar from swaying back and forth. So it's a nice little deal I've got there.